Before you buy Wotter, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. Wotter can be a game changer for your team or business, but like anything, it has pros and cons. Stick around till the end and I'll make sure you understand exactly what to expect. Plus, if you're new to the software, I'll show you how to try it completely free from the first link in the description. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to know about Wotter is its integration capabilities. Unlike other tools in the market, like Slack or Microsoft Teams, Wotter has a really clean integration setup that lets you connect easily with platforms like Google Drive, Asana, and Trello. This makes it easy to work across different tools without the headaches of constantly switching between them. If you're used to juggling multiple apps, Wotter's integrations could streamline your workflow. It really focuses on making communication and project management seamless across the board. Next thing, the user interface. Wotter is pretty intuitive when it comes to design. If you've used tools like Monday.com or even Asana, you know how busy and complex some project management tools can get. Wotter keeps it simple with a clean, modern interface that doesn't overwhelm you. It's easy to navigate, even for beginners, which is a huge plus when you're trying to get your team up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. The third thing you need to know is the task management features. While Wotter offers basic task management, don't expect it to rival the depth of something like ClickUp or Jira, which are known for their advanced capabilities. Wotter focuses on keeping things light and effective, making it great for smaller teams or startups who need a no-fuss solution. You'll get simple task assignments, due dates, and priority levels. But if you're looking for deep customization or advanced automation, you might find it a bit lacking. Next up, let's talk about communication. Wotter excels here. It's not just a project management tool, but it has strong messaging features built right into the platform. If you've used something like Slack, you know how important real-time messaging is for keeping teams on the same page. Wotter allows you to send messages within projects or directly to team members, keeping everything organized without needing to switch to a separate chat app. The fifth thing, Wotter's pricing model. If you're comparing it to other tools like Basecamp or Trello, Wotter might appear a bit more expensive at first glance, but here's the kicker. It offers excellent value for what you get. You're not paying for a ton of extra features you'll never use. It focuses on the essentials and gives you solid tools that are great for teams who don't need all the bells and whistles of the higher-end project management suites. If you're on a budget but still need great features, Wotter offers a well-rounded solution at a reasonable price. Now, the sixth thing you need to know about Wotter is its customer support. When it comes to SaaS tools, customer service can make or break the experience. Wotter does a solid job here, offering 24/7 support via live chat and email. This is a huge advantage over competitors like Monday.com, where you may need to wait longer for responses or feel like you're just one of many users. Wotter is more personalized in this area, which can make all the difference if you run into an issue that needs solving fast. The seventh and final thing to note about Wotter is its mobile app. While it doesn't have all the features available on the desktop version, the mobile app is pretty strong for on-the-go updates. It's reliable and you can get push notifications and updates, but if you're planning to do heavy-duty work from your phone, you might want to look elsewhere. It's perfect for light updates and checking in, but for serious task management, you might find yourself needing the desktop version. To sum it all up, Wotter is an excellent project management and communication tool, especially for small to mid-sized teams who need something straightforward without sacrificing the key features that drive productivity. However, if you're managing large complex projects with a need for deeper integrations or customization, you may find other platforms better suited to your needs. If you're interested in giving Wotter a try and experiencing it for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and some additional benefits you won't want to miss.